what's the use? Like, what's the need? Why do I need to see his?
कट कर दिया, कट कर दिया. मुझे प्रिविलेज नोटिस नहीं चाहिए मेड्यूसा, मरवा मत मेरे को.
So annoying. Bobblehead Birla.
नहीं है. बीजेपी पूरा हिंदू समाज नहीं है. आरएसएस पूरा हिंदू समाज नहीं है.
बढ़िया नौजवान, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया.
This is Narendra Modi face and this is Rahul Gandhi face.
Rahul Gandhi
Narendra
face.
Modi face,
Also-
Rahul Gandhi face.
But the Prime Minister is a non-biological being.
Beautiful to watch.
Dude, this is where I was like,
Poetry. The moment Narendra Modi is like Manya Adhyaksh ji, he's like,
इस पे क्या है, इस पे क्यों वाह कर रहा है. मुझे वही like, हर चीज जो मुंह से निकलती है ना ये आदमी की,
Yeah.
अरे क्या बोल दिया.
oh no, and अभी सुनना. Are you daft? कौन सी मार्केट में तूने अपना दिमाग गिरवी रखा और गिरवी रख के उसमें गोबर भरा? Like which market is it? I want to know. देखो.
अगर आपकी पार्टी इसको
स्पीकर सर।
उचित मानती है तो मुझे कुछ नहीं कहना.
स्पीकर सर,
What is this Fufaji behavior?
ताने मार रहे हैं.
No, this is Fufaji behavior. I'm telling you, no. This is peak शादी का Fufaji behavior. कि अच्छा,
आप प्रतिपक्ष के नेता हैं, किसी की भावनाओं को ठेस नहीं पहुंचे.
सर मुझे
चर्चा
बोलने
में
दीजिए.
ध्यान रखना चाहिए.
किसके भावनाओं को ठेस पहुंचा इधर? मोदी जी की भावनाओं को ठेस
अभी
पहुंचा.
आएगा, वो बताएगा. उसको पता नहीं चला अभी तक किसकी भावना को ठेस पहुंचाने की कोशिश की गई है. अभी इसको ब्रीफिंग नहीं हुआ है.
Hello nerd friends, welcome to the first episode of Dissent की दुकान with Meg Nerd and mama Dr. Medusa. She's been promoted from a reactionary to a co-host now. My introduction for this show which I had thought of was राहुल गांधी ने मोहब्बत की दुकान खोल दी है नफरत के बाजार में, तो किसी ने तो डिसेंट की दुकान खोलनी चाहिए ना. आय हाय
वाह.
Okay.
बहुत बढ़िया.
Okay. Intro. Please show intro. What is this show, Medusa?
मेरे को नहीं पता. मैं तो पहले तो बोला कि मैं को-होस्ट, मुझको तो ये भी नहीं पता था. मेरे प्रमोशन भी मेरे को मतलब ऐसे ही ऑर्गेनिकली ऑन ये वो उस टाइम पे पता चल रहा है. क्या कहते हैं उसको? ऑन रियल टाइम पता चल रहा है. But yeah, this is what it is. We will continue to dissent, and वो dissent सबको पता होना चाहिए और वो dissent फैलना भी चाहिए. इसीलिए dissent.
So the point of this show, friends, is that we are going to try and do this weekly, and we are just going to give you like an update on the recent news and whatever is happening and react to it with a revolutionary lens. Revolutionary lens. I declare it.
Pure revolutionary lens, like
Yes.
Arnab Goswami wants to say. The audience, what you will get here is pure dissent. It's pure rebellion. It's pure rebellion तो नहीं यार, बहुत हम लोग सस्ता rebellion कर रहे हैं. लेकिन फिर भी आज के डेट में तो वही काफी है.
Trishi has given a very nice line. Sedition के बाजार में dissent की दुकान. Nice. I like. Chat, please. If you are interested, please keep giving us taglines. We'll keep changing them.
Yeah.
Like, throughout the show, we'll just have taglines.
Yes, we'll just have taglines. Whatever we like, we'll like just like keep it.
We'll keep it.
भूल जाएंगे हम लोग कि अपना tagline क्या था.
Yeah. In case you are someone who is watching an edited version of this video, what is happening right now is we are doing a live recording, and this will be put out as an edited video later. The live recording is for members only. If you want to watch the full shenanigans, you can click on the link below, जो तुमको एक शायद 3 घंटे के recording तक लेके जाएगी. शायद. So to begin with, what are we doing today, Dr. Medusa?
I have no clue. You say.
ऐसा बनेगा co-host.
अच्छा हाँ, टुडे वी आर रिएक्ट, अच्छा सॉरी पता है मेरे को, पता है ऐसा एकदम क्लूलेस टाइप का नहीं है
हाँ,
मैं। टुडे वी आर रिएक्टिंग टू LOP, राहुल गांधी's first speech in the parliament as LOP. Of course बहुत सारी बातें हुई, बहुत सारी बातें उन्होंने कही, बहुत सारी चीजें जो पहले मुझे नहीं लगता है शायद पिछले 10 साल में हमारे संसद में हुई थी इस तरीके की बातें. It was a very refreshing speech. My first take on it is that it was very refreshing, and today both of us, Meghnad and I, are going to react to it.
Yes. We have seen the full speech. We have some time codes which we both liked, and we are going to look at them one after the other. But
Yeah.
as per tradition, I have some bonus clips and react material to start with. Right? Deshbhakt is saying, "Whose speaker Om Birla looking at? Can you guess?" 2 photos.
ये तो था ही. Then there was also another one. Oh, अच्छा हाँ. I think it's like when Narendra Modi is speaking and when leader of opposition is speaking.
Yes.
it's
This
क्या
is
हो
this
रहा
is Narendra Modi face, and this is Rahul Gandhi face.
Rahul Gandhi
Narendra
face.
Modi face,
Also-
Rahul Gandhi face.
Also, if you have seen the entire Narendra Modi wala speech na,
Yeah.
every time like he's like मान्यवर ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, मान्य सांसद महोदय ये कोई तरीका नहीं है, ये कोई वो नहीं. And then the moment Narendra Modi is like माननीय अध्यक्ष जी, he's like turant change, like he's scolding someone with this bitter, absolutely bitter face. ठीक है, जैसे गोबर देख लिया हो कहीं. ठीक, तो you know what this is, there is this कहावत in Assamese, गुत सोकू पड़ा. ठीक है, उसका मतलब है कि गू इज गू, ऑब्वियसली मल, कि अगर जैसे आप रास्ते में चल रहे हो, आपका मूड बहुत अच्छा है, रास्ते में किसी ने कर रखा है पॉटी, and then it just you look at it and it's like so disgusting. In Assamese it's like when you look at someone it's like ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे पॉटी नजर आ गई हो. So he looks at everyone else other than his own party and other than people of his own party as that, and it's visible on his face,
The disgust.
The disgust. Uski shakal mein, like his own face becomes very disgusting at that point of time. But I don't want to,
He's pointing and
comment.
looking with disgust. It's true.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like,
Because it's like a caricature of himself. It's like somebody who really hated this man drew a caricature of him, and that's what he looks like.
I'm just glad that you didn't call him potty. I was just so worried कि where this was going. आदरणीय speaker
He
का
looks at
insult
other
नहीं
people
करते.
as if he has seen like
Yeah.
organic matter, and it's like, and then the moment there is this माननीय अध्यक्ष जी from
Treasury
Narendra
benches.
Modi, he's immediately बताइए.
Yeah. Immediately he's this.
Immediately shifts, and then
Yeah.
he's like so much इतने interest.
There is
I
so
just wanted this
there's so
whole-
much love on his face.
Yeah, so much love, so much dedication, so much reverence.
Yeah.
I just wanted this whole 1 hour. I can actually. Whole 1 hour, whole 2 hours into just Om Birla roasting. I can do it.
Yeah,
Maybe
organic
plain
matter.
gulab jamun.
Organic matter. Call back to your quote, Medusa. You seem so lost.
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
देयर जो द राइट विंग कंटेंट जो है ना, वो ऑर्गेनिक है, क्योंकि ऑर्गेनिक तो टट्टी भी होती है ना यार.
Second one, basically I put this in because I feel like this is one clip which pretty much sums up what everybody was feeling throughout the debate, okay?
बार 400 पार बोला था, खेल शुरू हो गया था सर, खेला हो शुरू हुआ ना, खेल तो बहुत सा खेल है सर, चू कित कित भी खेल है, चू कित कित में चू धरा 400 में, कित 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 कितना हुआ 240. वो गेम में भी हारा गया. इधर सर हम तो आपको ही देख रहे हैं, हम किसी को नहीं देख रहे. एक बार देखने से साइड से आपको ही देख सर, हम सुनिए, आपसे ज्यादा स्मार्ट इधर कोई नहीं है.
Oh God, look at his face. Oh.
He knows. He's like, I know you are lying, but I cannot say anything.
जेंटलमैन नहीं है जो उनको छोड़ के आपको देखेंगे. गुड एक्ट्रेस भी आया, लेकिन उनको नहीं देखता है, आपको ही देखता है सर. आपको सिर्फ आप ही हैं आप अंदर में.
What is happening, यार? ये वाला नहीं देखा था मैंने.
Also, like the best is if you saw Mahua Moitra, huh? just watch Mahua Moitra in the background.
चू कित कित में चू धरा 400 में, कित 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 240 वो गेम में भी हारा गया।
Bhava Moitra having the
एक तो
time of their life.
बांग्ला पीपल का हिंदी एक्सेंट आई एब्सोल्युटली लव।
Yeah.
ठीक है। दूसरा व्हाट गेम इज दिस, डू यू नो? इट माइट बी अ बंगाली, लाइक वेरी नीश टू द बंगाली सोसाइटी।
क्या कित कित
छू
कित
ये
कित
छू कित, हाँ
मुझे नहीं पता है क्या गेम था, क्या है मुझे पता नहीं क्या
हाँ,
बोल रहा था।
he is talking about a game. If I'm not wrong, छूने का मतलब तो छू तो छूने से होता है, और किट हम लोग के यहाँ कबड्डी में भी किट बोलते हैं हमारे असम में। And
अच्छा।
because Assam and Bengal are so together, because it might mean that they wanted to touch 400, but किट करते करते 400 नहीं आया, 240 आया। It
Right.
might be that, I'm not sure, because असम में कबड्डी खेलने के टाइम पे कबड्डी की जगह बहुत सारी चीजें बोलते हैं, किट भी बोलते हैं।
हाँ, कबड्डी भी बोलते हैं।
हाँ, कबड्डी
Which
भी
is-
कबड्डी
yeah.
तो बोलते ही है।
Yeah. Som Shankar Bhattacharya in chat is saying Chu Kit Kit is kabaddi, and they're saying it's a
Oh.
kids game.
Yeah,
It's a Bangla kids game.
So yeah, so I'm correct.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
why now I think, and then but it also didn't it give you the sound effect, वो जो Wheel of Fortune में होता था ना, ऐसे ऐसे घुमाते थे तो
Kit 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 Kit.
They want
कितना हुआ 240
they wanted it to stop at 400, but it didn't.
And it stopped at 240.
And then
240.
the later part is the funnier part. Like,
Yeah.
क्या है वो कि आप इतना स्मार्ट है, अच्छा एक्टर्स भी आया है, उसको नहीं देखेगा। Like I mean,
उनको छोड़ के आपको देखेंगे।
देखेंगे।
गुड एक्टर्स भी आया, लेकिन उनको नहीं देखता है, आपको ही देखता है सारा।
This clip pretty much sums up the debate, honestly.
What was your not first impression, like overall impression? I'll tell you my overall impression. And क्योंकि मैं एक तो घर पे हूँ, and घर पे because you know parents and मम्मी पापा are both like very politically aware, and ये तो they were also talking और मेरे से बात कर रहे थे, तो my dad was like, इतना political maturity कहाँ से आया राहुल गांधी में? I'm like, bro, why are you saying things like yeah, but he's right actually. Like he was like the choice of the topics, the use of a joke somewhere or the other. It was actually leader of opposition का जो एक speech होना चाहिए था, उस तरीके का एक स्पीच लगा। एंड आई रियली लव्ड हिज इंसिस्टेंस ऑन द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ द रोल ऑफ द ऑपोजिशन व्हेन ही सेड दैट आई एम हैप्पी एंड प्राउड to be in the opposition, because there's this very at one point of time a very valid criticism of the Congress that they are always in sarkar mode. They always want to behave like the government and so on and so forth, and when they cannot accept it that they are in the opposition and so on and so forth. तो इस तरीके का एक वो होता है। तो मुझे इतना mature लगा और इतना अच्छा लगा, मतलब वो conviction was very visible when he said that I'm very proud to be in the opposition and I'm ready to discuss and work with you, which is the opposite of toxic positivity. There's this toxic positivity, like the one Kiran Rijiju is so very good at advocating for कि नहीं खराब बातें मत नहीं करते, सदन की गरिमा के खिलाफ है, नीट के बारे में बात करना। Are you daft? कहाँ कौन सी मार्केट में तूने अपना दिमाग गिरवी रखा और गिरवी रख के उसमें गोबर भरा? Like which market is it? I want to know. Bloody.
Sorry,
Okay.
दिमाग पहले गिरवी रखा और फिर गोबर भरा। क्या logic है? But I get your point.
Yeah,
I do get
like
your point.
पहले तो वो नहीं, it's a voluntary thing that he did. He actually exchanged his brain for gobar, okay? And then he spews things like this. He is the one, like उसका तो मैं पहले भूल नहीं सकती when he said कि ये question पूछने का आदत बहुत खराब है, question नहीं पूछना चाहिए. This attitude of questioning is very wrong. और ये लोग जो बोलते हैं ना, इसके बारे में बात नहीं करते हैं, पॉजिटिव चीजों के बारे में बात करते हैं, हमेशा नेगेटिव, हमेशा गलत बातें ही सुनो, सोचो, ये करो वो करो। सिर्फ पॉजिटिव सोचने से चीजें पॉजिटिवली होने नहीं लग जाएंगी। लोग मर रहे हैं, आज भी मर रहे हैं, एवरीथिंग इज हैपनिंग एंड यू नीड टू टॉक अबाउट दोस थिंग्स, यू नीड टू लुक एट दोस थिंग्स। जस्ट बिकॉज यू डोंट टॉक अबाउट दोस, जैसे वो ना पर्दा वाला, वो ट्रम्प आ गया तो पर्दा डाल दो तो स्लम ढक गया तो भैया बहुत खूबसूरत लगने लगा है। ऑन द ऑपोजिट, व्हाट Rahul Gandhi did with his speech was, I think, real positivity which he showed कि नहीं, हम opposition में हैं, लेकिन हम opposition में रहते हुए देश की भलाई के लिए आपके साथ काम करना चाहते हैं। Let's work together to solve certain issues. I think वो जो एक आगे बढ़ने वाला एटीट्यूड है ना, वो बहुत सारे जो सेंटर में या ऑन द फेंस बैठे हुए लोग हैं, उनको ये चीज अफेक्ट करेगी कि देखो बंदा तो बोल रहा है कि मैं काम करना चाहता हूँ और तुम ही नहीं करना चाह रहे. You are the one constantly harping about emergency. You are the one constantly bringing up things which have happened 40 years ago.
Although
हाँ.
I have to say, at the cost of sounding like a centrist, आज जो मोदी जी का स्पीच हो रहा था, they were constantly doing like sloganeering in the background. That doesn't bode well, honestly. I'm okay with some amount of sloganeering and disruption and whatever, but ये constantly जो चल रहा था ना, hoo ha whatever, I honestly personally don't like it.
पर मेरे को कुछ नहीं, मगर मोदी को जितना डिस्टर्ब करो उतना अच्छा. I don't like it.
Yeah, fair enough.
Yeah.
Also that, fair enough. My first impression was, I think, somewhat similar to yours, which was because I have been seeing him since 2012. Saw that disastrous Arnab interview live where he was just randomly bringing in women empowerment every 3 minutes for no reason.
Yeah, even I was. उसमें तो मैं भी मतलब I
It
was
was
so
like,
disappointed.
क्या है इसके दिमाग में, क्या चल रहा है, मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आया.
I assure you, Mr. Gandhi, I'm a very serious journalist. How much have you been affected by your defeats? And
It all depends on what you're trying to do. I told you that I'm here because I want to help use the energy of this country. I want to make this country powerful. I want to project the ideas of this country. To do that, I think there are basically three things that one needs to do. One is changing the way we do politics here. Getting away from superficialities, getting away from the small issues and moving deeper into the issues, right? Questioning the system, changing the system. Things like RTI, bringing youngsters into policy. The second is empowering the women of this country, really bringing them into the system, really pushing them forward. And the third is using the energy of the youth of this country, bringing them the type of jobs that they need. This stuff is not done in 5 minutes.
I mean, basically, if you look at Biden right now, that was Rahul Gandhi back then. Completely एक sentence शुरू करता है and कहीं भी चला जाता है. The Michael
Are we
Scott
doing
disease.
Biden? Are we ever doing Biden ever? Like, will we ever do that?
Reacting to Biden? क्यों नहीं?
Or like one of the
क्यों
like
नहीं?
ये?
अब अमेरिकन इलेक्शंस भी आएंगे, डिसेंट की दुकान तो चलता रहेगा, वर्ल्ड डिसेंट भी करेंगे हम. Coming back to Rahul Gandhi, I look at it as pre-Bharat Jodo Yatra and post-Bharat Jodo Yatra phase. The post-Bharat Jodo Yatra phase, what we saw in Lok Sabha yesterday was like just a taste of what the new Rahul Gandhi is, right? देखो, मोदी जी को मेडिटेशन करने का बहुत शौक है. कैंपेनिंग खत्म होने के बाद जो 2-3 दिन का पीरियड होता है, वो लास्ट 2 इलेक्शन से ही जस्ट गोज समवेयर एंड डज मेडिटेशन, राइट? बट वापस आते हैं तो वही इंसान होता है. मतलब कोई ऐसे चेंज होके नहीं आते हैं, राइट? I feel like Bharat Jodo Yatra was genuinely like a yatra for him.
A life-changing experience for him.
Exactly, like which is like a transformative sort of pilgrimage that he was doing, right? From south to north and then east to west, right?
मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि like you cannot this is I think this is my love for my country and my people which come from where this sentence, the next sentence is emerging, is that you cannot go through or you cannot walk through the entire country, meet the different kinds of people and the different that live here and not have a transformative experience. Because मुझे नहीं लगता, मतलब again this is like one of the romantic ideas that you have about your own country, that the people are in like basically in their heart of hearts they're good people. मुझे लगता है उससे it's not possible to not be touched by them when you actually know them. So I'm happy for him. I'm happy.
It's nice to see him like this. Also, like I agree with you, थोड़ा confidence ज़्यादा ही हो गया सर का सडनली. मतलब वो तो दिख ही रहा है. मतलब ऐसे क्या हो गया, क्या जड़ी बूटी खा के आए हो सर, ऐसे लग रहा था मुझे कि मतलब क्या करके आए हो एग्जैक्टली कि तुम इतना.
I know.
What was so refreshing was for after years someone is standing up to this man and looking at him angrily and saying no, I will not listen to your shit anymore. I'm like, boss, oh my god, so much cathartic feelings आ रहे थे ना मुझे अंदर से.
It's like as if like we have wanted to say these things for such a long time.
ऐसे चैनल कर रहा था. Yeah,
and he just gets up and he does and like मेरी बात बोली तूने मेरे भाई, मेरी बात, मेरे दिल की बात कही.
Exactly. That energy was what I was there for. Very enjoyable energy, which we will see now.
चलिए.
जय संविधान.
He's so annoyed when people say जय संविधान.
कॉपी है उसकी.
Look at his face.
Yeah.
जय संविधान। इसकी हमने रक्षा की है।
वो ग्रीन कलर का संविधान उठाया ना, हिमंत बिश्व शर्मा पागल हो जाएगा, बोलेगा पाकिस्तानी संविधान है।
अरे तो उसने लाल भी उठाया तो पागल ही हो गया था, बोला
तो हाँ,
कम्युनिस्ट
वही
संविधान
तो,
है।
वही
लाइक
तो।
बस ऑरेंज संविधान चाहिए उनको, ऑरेंज
यार मैं यही असम में हूँ यार, मेरे को घर से उठवा के लेके जाएगा वो।
या लाइक कौन से कलर का संविधान होना चाहिए? नाउ आई एम वंडरिंग अबाउट दैट। वैसे लोकसभा का कलर ग्रीन है बाय द वे।
I know, I was like green carpet, green everything.
और राज्यसभा रेड है। तो कम्युनिस्ट और मुसलमान के बीच में बस पार्लियामेंट चल रहा है अभी।
बीच में रजिया गुंडों में फंस गई।
रक्षा की है और अच्छा लग रहा है अब कि हर 2-3 मिनट बीजेपी के लोग संविधान 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 कह रहे हैं। Speaker sir, for the last 10 years, there has been a systematic attack on the Constitution, on the idea of India, and on anybody who opposed.
बस हियर्स द थिंग, लाइक इतना इंटरप्ट किया है ना इस आदमी को, इतना अनोइंग है। लाइक एक सेंटेंस नहीं कंप्लीट करने दिया, पहला इंट्रो सेंटेंस। लाइक यू नोटिस दिस एज वेल, राइट? लाइक लिटरली इट्स लाइक भाई मतलब, so I mean to be fair then, you know, like when you look at my earlier comment where I said कि वो लोग sloganeering कर रहे थे whatever, compared to that this is way more annoying.
I am going to call your mother.
I mean, at least you could
Yeah, because
hear the Prime
at least
Minister.
when you're doing like sloganeering and all, it's a constant noise in your background and you can tune it out after some time. But this is like you're constantly interrupting, na? Interrupt कर करके तुम परेशान करो. And also, it's, by the way, it's very telling where they are interrupt. ठीक है? It's very telling. I think Rahul Gandhi also says this.
And
कि
on-
इसलिए कर रहे हैं क्योंकि दिल पे लगी है बात.
There has been just warming up right now. अभी warm up हो रहा है. तो there was a systematic, full-scale assault on the idea of India, on the Constitution, and also on millions and millions of people who resisted the ideas being proposed by the BJP, who resisted the attack on the Constitution.
एक बता मुझे, ये आदमी थोड़ा बफ हो गया है क्या सही में? लाइक आई मीन हैव यू बीन नोटिसिंग?
I should send you screenshots of my girls group ka chat.
Like your blush says a lot.
Acha, but by the way, who am I kidding? I don't really have friends. I just have one friend. जिससे मैं ये सब मिस ही करता हूँ. तो हाँ, तो definitely, and then of course, मतलब as in the contrast जब होता है तो ज्यादा clearly दिखाई देता है ना.
Yeah.
Like, एक लकड़ी को छोटा करने के लिए उससे बड़ी लकड़ी को बगल में खड़ी कर दो.
When he was elected as the leader of opposition, etc., Sir kurta पहन के आए थे. Back to t-shirt mode. I think t-shirt is his aggression mode. Now I'm noticing that, like I think based on his clothes, we can tell what mood he's coming in.
Also, but I like this, the t-shirt wearing tradition that he's starting because मेरे को लगता है ना, ये सफेद कुर्ते वाले लोग, सफेद कुर्ते के नीचे इतना काला उनका काम होता है, इतना काला उनका दिल होता है, इतनी काली उनकी आत्मा होती है. But so it's like खराब लगने लग जाता है कोई सफेद कुर्ता पहन के अगर नेता टाइप का कोई आदमी दिख जाता है ना, इससे ऑटोमेटिकली उस टाइप का एक वेरी फीलिंग आती है. So I like it how he is distancing himself from that kind of an image and also creating a space for younger politicians and younger workers to come in and just be who they are. And I'm waiting for like women to also have that because all I see women politicians, almost all of them are always constantly in sarees. Campaign वगैरह में भी जाते हैं तो साड़ी and ओढ़नी and everything थोड़ा सा मेरे को problematic लगता है. But then again, I like how he's changing that. So yeah.
Many of us personally were attacked. In fact, some of our leaders are still in jail. One of our leaders has just recently been released. Another one is still in jail. And not only the opposition, but anybody who resisted the idea of concentration of power, of concentration of wealth, of aggression on the poor, of aggression on Dalits, minorities, tribals was crushed, violently crushed.
ये इसमें बिरला को दिखाने की क्या जरूरत है साइड में?
For you listen, थोड़ा इम्प्रूवमेंट है यहाँ पे ऑनेस्टली, बिकॉज पहले दे वुड जस्ट शो बिरला एंड नॉट शो राहुल. एटलीस्ट स्प्लिट स्क्रीन कर रहे हैं अभी, तो इनके पास ये पहले से था.
हाँ, लेकिन फिर भी मतलब व्हाट्स द यूज, लाइक व्हाट्स द नीड, व्हाई डू आई नीड टू सी हिज?
कट कर दिया. मुझे प्रिविलेज नोटिस नहीं चाहिए मेड्यूसा. मरवा मत मेरे को, तेरा चैनल तो चला गया बे. 3 कॉपीराइट स्ट्राइक खा के.
सॉरी.
Why is it important to show him? I have no idea. It is Sunset TV.
Because it's like it serves no purpose.
It serves no
purpose. He's not saying anything. एक तो ना सब पता है, मेरे को मन कर रहा था ना, मैं वीडियो बनाऊंगा about carpal tunnel syndrome and how to tackle it, and or like some sort of an इसमें जिसमें वो संसद का जो कैमरा वाला स्विच करता है ना,
ऐसे
वो ना डॉक्टर के पास जा रहा होगा कि मेरे को कार्पल टनल सिंड्रोम है, वो उसको बताएगा कि मैं ऐसे स्विच करना पड़ता है. मुझे व्हाट इज, आप क्या करते हैं? मैं संसद में राहुल जी के से कैमरा स्विच करता हूँ. मेरा कार्पल टनल सिंड्रोम हो गया है, तो मेरे को वो बनाने का मन. लाइक व्हाट्स द पॉइंट? व्हाट्स द पॉइंट ऑफ डूइंग दिस?
Fearlessly take any onslaught that was placed before us. So I'd like to start by showing an image of our refuge. Okay?
ट्रम्प कार्ड निकाला है.
Yeah.
सर शिव जी की फोटो नहीं.
क्या जीनियस मूव है बॉस ये. क्या सही में जीनियस मूव है ये. Like I mean, because the reaction that he got after that is what was like, oh my god. Okay, yeah. By the way, in another side note, Khadge did another similar thing today in Rajya Sabha, where.
1 second, Jairam Ramesh, you are so intelligent, so gifted, so talented. You should immediately come and take seat in place of Mr. Khadge, because by and large you are doing his job.
सर मेरा टाइम का ध्यान रखिएगा, मेरे टाइम का.
खड़गे जी, आप सोचिए. खड़गे जी.
Don't bring that Varna
क्या?
still in your mind that Varna system is there. That's why you are calling Ramesh is a very intelligent, very that, and I am dull, so that
No,
he
no,
should
no,
be
no,
replaced.
No. 1 second.
Oh my
What
god!
is-
I was like, oof. Reverse
But
Uno.
by the way, when I heard it for the first time, and when I heard Dhankar saying that for the first time, no, that is also the first thing which came in my mind, because it's like it's so he's so used to not having a Dalit say all of these important things and all that. And not giving a Dalit the space, and he's not used to possibly Congress also giving that much of a space to a Dalit speaker or a Dalit president. And then Khadge ji also gets up and says like, क्या मजा है, यही डिफेंस पे होने की जगह अटैक पे होना बहुत.
Attack पे होना जरूरी है. Someone, Soumya in chat is saying he's like a Sanghi wormtail.
I have not heard a more apt, appropriate, इतना जैसे वो होता है ना, जैसे the satisfaction you get when you put in the last jigsaw puzzle,
Yeah.
the last jigsaw piece into a puzzle. That's what the description of the Sanghi wormtail has done to my heart.
Yeah. Wow.
beautiful.
Wow. Like high
beautiful.
praise coming from Dr. Medusa.
It's beautiful. Like I should have thought of it. I'm jealous that I didn't think of it, and I'm going to use it. Whoever it is, I'm telling you, I'm going to use it. I'm going to use it next time Dhankar does something awful, and I have to explain what he is, who he is.
Yeah.
I'm going to use it.
सर शिव जी की फोटो नहीं दिखा सकते सर.
एक मिनट माननीय सदस्य.
सर शिव जी की फोटो मना है सर.
एक मिनट
सर मना है तो कर देता हूँ
नो
सर।
नो, एक मिनट प्लीज। आपने सवाल उठाया, आपके माननीय सदस्यगण 353 का नियम बता रहे थे, 352 का नियम बताया। नो 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 प्लीज।
What
His
is this?
no is so condescending.
It's so
yaar.
condescending, boss. Like, I mean,
So condescending, and especially when it comes to this side,
Yeah,
especially
yeah.
when it's to the opposition, it's so condescending, यार. Like, तेरे को फिर से privilege notion वो मिल जाएगा.
Yeah, but
मेरे
you
मुंह
know
से निकलने वाला कुछ
privilege motion.
motion.
Like basically he had a checkmate face, right? You know, when you get checkmated on a chessboard, that face he had like earlier.
ऐसा नहीं है
माइक दीजिए सर।
जी।
सर क्या इस हाउस में शिव जी की फोटो दिखाना मना है?
माननीय सदस्य,
आप बस ये बता दीजिए।
माननीय सदस्य,
Yeah, see, checkmate face. Now it's happening.
सर मना है या नहीं?
कोई भी चित्र को दिखाने के
तो शिव जी का चित्र इस साधन इस हाउस में दिखाना मना है?
Bolo na. See, that's what. Like,
yeah,
bolo
bolo.
na. हाँ, exactly. Like he's forcing him to say it, but he wouldn't say it. Oh my God.
यहाँ पे दूसरी चीजों के चित्र दिखाए जा सकते हैं, मगर शिव जी का चित्र नहीं दिखा जा सकता। अगर मैं कह रहा हूं कि हमें इनसे प्रोटेक्शन मिली और मैं समझाना चाह रहा हूं कैसे प्रोटेक्शन मिली, आप मुझे चित्र नहीं दिखाने दे रहे हो। इसके बाद मेरे पास और चित्र हैं, मैं सब दिखाना चाहता था। स्पीकर सर, ये चित्र पूरे हिंदुस्तान के दिल में है, पूरा हिंदुस्तान इस चित्र को जानता है, समझता है। एवरीबॉडी नोज दिस इमेज। स्पीकर सर, why I got this image is because there are certain ideas in this image that we defend, that the opposition defends. The first idea in the image that we defend is the idea.
Also, Rukto. Also, I love the usage of Shivji.
Okay.
I love the choice because, of course, there are so many other gods that he could have chosen from, but then why just Shivji? मतलब मुझे personally speaking also the fact that he जंगल में रहते हैं, हर कोई everybody he has all of these different groups and he is so easy to please, ऐसा कहा जाता है in Hindu mythology and everything. तो मुझे उनकी the choice of Shivji or the imagery of Shivji I really liked. I really thought that it was an intelligent choice because Shivji हर किसी के भगवान है ना, गरीब से लेकर आदिवासी से लेकर हर कास्ट से लेकर anybody can worship Shivji के ये। And उनके ऐसा कहते भी हैं जब शिव जी की बारात जब चली थी तो everyone जानवर से लेके भूत पिशाच everybody had become the बारात का part because Shivji does not.
Also, Shivji, two characteristics. Shivji is ascetic, like he's basically also like living in the mountains and doing all the things, smoking weed, doing all the things. Also, he's the destroyer.
Yeah, annihilator.
Yeah. I mean, like he's the annihilator. So I thought that was also clever, which was
I really like
look
if we
at
want
this,
to,
I'm
we can
annihilate you.
yeah, we can exactly if we want to we can go into these like readings of the choice.
Yeah.
But yeah, I really liked it. I think it was very intelligent.
Of confronting our fear, of never being scared. That idea is represented in this image which you are not allowing me to show by a snake that is placed right near the neck of Shivji. The idea behind that is never be scared of anything that you face. In fact, Shivji places death 1 inch from his neck. And that is the spirit with which we fought when we were in the opposition.
He really thought this through. Clearly, like he really thought this through. He's going to use that symbol of a god to make his point. And the final punchline, which will come later, that whole Abhay Mudra thing, which I think was very well done. It's very interesting how they sort of weave these things together, right? It's very important for parliamentarians to use the parliament as a stage.
Just look around you. Our democracy is broken. And there is no single person who can fix it. Not an Anna Hazare, not Narendra Modi, not Kejriwal. They're like actors on a broken stage that come, perform and walk away. They all stumble on some broken planks on that stage. They all fall with their face forwards while the audience, us, laugh at them, make memes about them and basically diss them every opportunity we get. And Arnab Goswami will swoop in and tell you that planks were broken when Manmohan Singh was there on stage. Some panelist will pipe in and tell you that Nehru and his dynasty is the one who broke the stage. Nehru! This time it's you. Columns after columns will be written about the epic fall of the latest actor. But nobody, I repeat, nobody is willing to get up and say, people, screw the actors. Let's just fix the damn stage first.
So one of the things that people have been saying, I've been reading like a lot of opinion from, especially from the Godi side of things also, where they're like, हाँ ये तो कुछ important तो कुछ बोलता ही नहीं है, drama ही किया बस, you know, like ये किया, whatever. They're trying to infantilize this, whatever he's doing, right? But honestly, all the MPs that I've worked with, some of them are great at using the parliament as a stage. They're essentially like actors, right? Which is like they attract attention to themselves so that their people get attention as well. They're the medium, right? If you look at it that way. So the actor is putting up a show, putting in issues of the people they represent, and therefore the issues get like a wider reach, right? So I think he has learned this now, which is he is using this as a perfect stage. Like he's using the camera, he's using the imagery, he's using
using the tactics and the strategy of the opposition of the of the sarkar. He's using them for his own benefit. He's like, तुम भगवान का use करते हो, तुम क्या करोगे मैं बताता हूँ. I really like that.
Yeah.
For example, you know, they had this very misplaced idea of using Hindutva or being soft Hindutva. At least Kamal Nath ke uske time se in Madhya Pradesh and all, which they have seen that it doesn't work. Of course it doesn't work, and of course like usse to hamare jaise log bhi नाराज ही हो जाते हैं कि like why are you even doing this? But this kind of positive representation of the larger group of people, of the majority of the people, I really appreciate and I really like. This is something that somebody who is like me, somebody who is non-practicing, also would be okay to be associated.
This is also a milder form of Hinduism, I would say, right? Which is like what we have seen for the last 10 years is this aggressive form of what they thought as Hinduism. What he's trying to do is subtly redefine it into, you know, the thing is, I always feel this way. Ganesh Chaturthi made me so happy, genuinely. Like, again, I didn't consider myself as a believer, but I loved the fact ki, you know, like the Ganesh is here and, you know, like it was like, oh, homecoming. And it was such a nice feeling throughout the house. Then colony में जब गणेश की मूर्ति आती थी and like we would be there, आरती होती थी शाम को, we would go do the आरती and we would chill together with everyone. Then there would be cultural program. There was such a warm feeling during these festivals.
Absolutely.
Diwali, Ganesh Chaturthi, Kali Puja, Holi, no, Holi. I disagree. Holi, I don't care. But like other festivals, I hate Holi. But other festivals, very warm feeling, very nice, very nice. It was like, Bhagwan hamare hai. You know, hamare karke hai. Yeah. But even Ram Navami, to be honest. भाई, मेरा नाम मेघनाद है, right? मैं रावण दहन देखने जाता था, right? Which was like ये जला, मेरे को ही जला रहे थे वहाँ पे आधा, मतलब 1/3 of me. But still, I was like, yes,
third वाला तो तू ही होता है.
vanquish the evil. Oh, like, you know, like, and I was like,
I know.
like, see, warm feeling that way also.
And the same thing happened to me with the feeling of nationalism, है ना? क्योंकि मैं केंद्र विद्यालय की पढ़ाई है, केंद्र विद्यालय का वो है, हम लोग तो फ्लैग को तो एकदम चूम के रखने वाला हमारा वो हमारी सीख थी. When I went to the US, मैं एक फ्लैग, खादी का फ्लैग गांधी आश्रम से खरीद के लेके गई थी. अपने कमरे में हाइट पे मैंने उसको लगाया था ताकि नीचे ना रहे. हाइट पे लगाया था. मेरे बेडरूम में मतलब एक ही कमरा था, न्यूयॉर्क में रहना पड़ा था, $400 में एक कमरा मिला था बस. लिटरली एक इतना ही मुश्किल से इसका आधा कमरा होगा एंड उसमें सिर्फ मेरा बेड था, कबर्ड था, टेबल था, चेयर था, दैट्स इट, नथिंग एल्स. एंड अनदर पर्सन आल्सो यूज्ड टू स्टे देयर, मेरी रूममेट. तो सामने उसका मेरे उसका इंडिया का फ्लैग लगा हुआ करता था. आई लव दैट फ्लैग, इट्स स्टिल देयर. अभी भी मेरी शादी हो गई, मैं घर चली गई, घर छोड़ के मैं दूसरी स्टेट चली गई, it's still there in my house. लेकिन then all of those change in the last 10 years. Initially शुरुआत के टाइम पे it was like क्या कर दिया है, मतलब मैं खुश भी नहीं हो सकती अपने देश के. अब मेरा राष्ट्रगान बजता है तो मुझे जबरदस्ती खड़े होना पड़ता है, जो मैं ऑटोमेटिकली अपने आप में प्यार करती थी अपने देश से, अपने आप मुझे इन सिंबल से प्यार हुआ करता था. One would argue that these are symbols of the state and not of the nation. Anyway,
but you get,
some things you grow up with and some things you fall in love with. But then these guys, they try to incorporate it, they try to change it. ट्राई कलर को चेंज करके सिंगल एक कलर करने की कोशिश करी थी. घंटा नहीं होने देंगे तुमको.
नहीं, तुम्हारे वार्म फीलिंग को एक तो दबा दिया, right?
दबा दिया,
Plus उसको I think in a lot of ways weaponize भी कर दिया.
weaponize करने की कोशिश
which
की,
is
correct.
which is you know
That's the word.
the kind of hindutva on display for the last decade or so, ever since Modi's rise, is a very unfamiliar, aggressive, bullying kind of feeling, right? Which is what I find the most bothersome, because so I have faced a lot of bullying in school, right?
Yeah.
And whenever I see these Hindutva chaps doing it, no, it reminds me of them.
Yeah.
Which is, I think all the vulnerable people in society are experiencing this in one way or the other. Last 10 decades were the decade of the bullies.
Yeah,
Which is, and I
that
feel
was.
like finally the bullied are finally like, अरे यार अब बहुत हो गया यार, इसको यार
Telling up.
निकालो यार, अब बहुत हो गया यार, मतलब सहन कर लिया, मार खा लिया, सब कुछ तो कर लिया, बट अब हो गया.
That's true, that's true.
From this idea of resisting, we are still in the opposition. I know that, and I'm happy and proud to be in the opposition.
Yes.
Because for us, there is more than power. There is truth. For you, there is only power. That is the only place you want to be. For us, there is truth. And this is a symbol of truth. So when Shivji places the snake near his neck, what he is saying is, I will accept the truth and I will not back down from the truth, and that is what we have said. After that, a new idea emerges. And of course, I cannot show Shivji's picture, but all of you know it. Behind the left shoulder,
He keeps mentioning this, by the way. He
Shivji's picture.
keeps saying this, which is the, I
Very
cannot
good.
show the picture.
now I would like you to understand that there is a reason that the Trishul, a weapon, has been placed behind the left shoulder. The Trishul is not a symbol of violence. It is a symbol of non-violence, and that is why it is placed in a place where Shiva cannot reach it with his right hand. If it was a symbol of violence, it would have been held in his right hand like this. It is a symbol of non-violence. That is why it is placed behind his left shoulder.
I did not know this. I was like, this is fascinating. Now, this is the stuff that I want to learn about religion.
Yeah. Also,
Yeah,
it's
like-
because Shivji is like, he can do all of these things. He can annihilate you. He can, like, just open his third eye, you'll be like ash. But chooses not to do it, chooses to be chill, chooses to be like forgive you, chooses to like do whatever you want. So yeah, it was very intelligent of him to use these images.
I did not, so, but the thing is, I did not even know about this. Like, I mean,
No.
I've never noticed these things, right? I mean, again, see, that's my thing. Like, you are trying to sort of shove this feeling of religiosity in my mind and my brain and through my throat and into my heart and everywhere else. And it actually made me really, I don't know, like really reticent about dealing with anything religious, right? But I remember, like, there was a time before this whole thing where I was very curious. I was like, nahin, ye Bhagwan ke bare mein kya hai? What is the symbolism behind it? What are the kind of people who follow it? What are the kind of people who worship this deity? There is some sort of understanding there. I remember going to Jagannath Puri for the first time, which is Modi ji's current favorite god, by the way. Jagannath Puri is a totem god.
Do you remember this meme which says friendship with Rizwan broken?
Yes.
Now I'm best friends with Amir. It's like friendship with Ayodhya broken. Now I'm best friends. Now my best friend is Lord Jagannath.
Yes. Thank you for the cut point, Medusa. यहाँ पे
Oh,
meme
yeah.
आएगा. But the thing is, there was this sense of curiosity. इन लोगों ने मार दिया था.
Yeah.
And I feel like what Rahul Gandhi is doing is bringing back that sense of curiosity in religion, which I love. I had no idea
And
about
a
this.
sense of comfort also, and a sense of comfort with your chosen gods. मुझे लगता है कि वो एकदम ही गायब हो गया था, and I think if it comes back, I'll be very happy.
Now, there is a third idea, and a very powerful idea that emerges from the idea of truth, courage, and non-violence. And that idea, of course, it is a symbol that many of you hate, but that idea is the Abhay Mudra, the symbol of the Congress party.
This is like the mic drop, basically. Like, which is Abhay Mudra, symbol of Congress
You should
party,
put
by
this-
the way.
Abhay Mudra shows it is the next step of the evolution of the idea of facing the truth, fearlessness and ahimsa. Satya and ahimsa, as Mahatma Gandhi used to say. And the Abhay Mudra is the idea that it is not good enough to just keep this internal. It is not good enough to not be scared. It is not good enough to use non-violence. It is also important.
मेरे को यहाँ पे क्या याद है when he talks about Satya and Ahimsa and Mahatma Gandhi, no? This woman, Nupur Sharma.
Oh God, that is what. Okay, go on. Sorry.
She puts out a tweet that Rahul Gandhi is using the same tactics as MK Gandhi, okay, like Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi.
Why is that an insult?
Yeah, exactly. And somebody quote tweeted her and says that this unstable Desi, not because she is unsubtle Desi,
Unsubtle
no.
Desi.
Instead of unsubtle Desi, she's like this unstable Desi thing does not know that outside her small group of hateful minions, this is not an insult.
Yeah.
It's actually a compliment.
Yeah, exactly.
तो मेरे को इस टाइम पे ना उसकी याद आ गई.
So in a sense, the Abhay Mudra is a projection from Shivji to the rest of the world about these two ideas. Of course, these two ideas were used by us, all of us, when we fought the British. And they were put forth by Mahatma Gandhi. The Prime Minister, of course, who has a direct connection with God, speaks directly to God. Yes, the Paramatma speaks to Modi ji's Atma directly. Unlike with all humans, we are all biological. We are born, we die, but the Prime Minister is a non-biological being.
Beautiful to watch.
Dude, this is where I was
Poetry.
like, this is the first point where I was like channeling. I mean, like, I wanted someone to say this to him. Honestly, like someone had to freaking say this to his face at some point. Like Rubika Liaquat, sir, ab to non-biological hai karke wo nikal gayi. Yes. You do it better, Medusa. Thank you very
Because
much.
of my hair, did
Because of
you
your
see
hair.
how it flipped from this side to this
Sir.
side?
Yes. She's like, sir, aap to non-biological. And she didn't say anything after that. I was like, are you serious? Some guy
counter
in
question
front
because
of
he's like,
you
what?
literally said he's God. Literally. And you're like, sir, thank you so much. I was like, what is happening? And now I'm like, boss, so happy
Boss,
you did
boss.
this.
Such
And
में.
no.
It's musical. It's poetry. Like to watch him say all of these things. Paramatma का direct आत्मा से connection है. He's not because he's not biological. He's non-biological.
Dude, and also, like, he's not the only one, by the way. He started it. Then every leader that came had their own version of the same insult for Modi ji, which I was like, A Raja se leke, Akhilesh Yadav se leke, Manoj Jha se leke, everyone is like...
Everyone.
Everyone
अभी तो
is...
शक्ल बनी हुई है इतनी.
Yeah, absolutely.
And the Prime Minister says Gandhi is dead. And Gandhi was revived by a movie.
This again.
I mean, can you understand the ignorance? That Gandhi is dead and a movie revived the father of the nation. Gandhi is alive.
He's so uncomfortable, dude. He's so uncomfortable. You can see it. He's like, he's about to say, बट ये भगवान का इमेज है, बोलूं क्या मैं रखने के लिए, कैसे होगा, मतलब लोगों को क्या लगेगा, कैसे स्पिन करेंगे ये. अगर मैंने बोला कि वो नीचे रखिए तो आपने भगवान को नीचे रख.
Another very interesting thing I noticed. हाँ जी.
This is another stupid thing that happened, by the way. Did you notice what happened here? There is a rule in parliament, literal rule in parliament, which says that when you're speaking, you cannot show your back to the speaker. Right? So that's what they're constantly trying to do to him, because so like if you look at the parliament, right? So if I'm standing like this, right? Let's say I'm in Rahul Gandhi's position. So यहाँ पे speaker बैठा होगा सामने इधर right side में ऊपर, right? And because they have done such a shitty job of this architecture, the speaker is right here. Either. Right? So he's constantly looking up ऐसे. The other people are right here, right? So when he's addressing like his colleagues, it's right here. Modi ji will be sitting directly in front of him. when he's talking, of course, like he's talking like this sometimes, where he's like looking at
Yeah,
the
of
other
course,
people.
like you
Because the
usually do, because you are addressing a
larger
crowd.
house is here,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Which automatically seems like he's turning his back to the
Back
speaker.
to,
So they
yeah.
kept pointing this out, and this is where it
Yeah,
happens.
even though Yadav, Upendra Yadav even talks about it and cites the rule
Yeah,
also.
he cites the rule. Abhi dekhna, like
Yeah, but
they
मतलब
make it the way he shuffles, and like adjusts his position is him doing that.
हाँ जी शिव जी कहते हैं डरो मत डराओ मत, अभय मुद्रा दिखाते हैं, अहिंसा की बात करते हैं, त्रिशूल को जमीन में गाड़ देते हैं, और जो लोग अपने आप को हिंदू कहते हैं वो 24 घंटा हिंसा हिंसा हिंसा, नफरत नफरत नफरत, असत्य सत्य असत्य.
This is what they cut out.
Yeah.
This is what they cut out, right? Which is, it makes it sound
Just
like,
the second sentence.
yeah,
Not even the first part about
ahimsa and all the
Ahimsa
things. Yeah,
and
yeah. Just this 10 seconds is what is floating around.
आप हिंदू हो ही नहीं.
Like literally इतने insidious लोग हैं ना ये, मुझे वही गुस्सा आता है. Like look at this. Like if they put the very next sentence after that, which is
असत्य सत्य
असत्य
असत्य.
असत्य.
आप हिंदू हो ही नहीं.
आप हिंदू हो ही नहीं.
This sentence.
It's clear.
It's clear. It's clear. Like खत्म. मतलब तुम्हारा जो fake news था एक sentence में खत्म, but no, insidious pricks, they have to cut it like that 10-11 seconds and put it out, and वही news channels भी चलाएंगे, वही सब लोग चलाएंगे, और हरामी type
And there will be
headlines
debates,
भी
and there
डालेंगे.
will be debates, and there will be debates on this.
हिंदू धर्म में साफ लिखा है सत्य के साथ खड़ा होना चाहिए, सत्य से पीछे नहीं हटना चाहिए, सत्य से नहीं डरना चाहिए, अहिंसा हमारा प्रतीक है. अभय मुद्रा ऐसे कीजिए अभय मुद्रा.
Man has understood how symbolism works. पहले संविधान now अभय मुद्रा.
Om Birla, it's like he's so too stunned to speak. The man was too stunned to speak.
Yeah.
वरना अभी तक उसको ये या तो मैसेज नहीं मिला होगा डायरेक्शंस की कैसे इसको टैकल करना है, and like he's so flabbergasted कि ये मैं क्या करूं, इसका मैं जवाब कैसे दूं.
Yeah.
That's why otherwise अभी तक बोल चुका होता.
आप बात समझिए, ये इसलिए चिल्ला रहे हैं क्योंकि तीर जाके दिल में लगा है.
That's true.
Yeah.
एकदम
तीर
तीर
जाके दिल में
लगा.
लगा.
दिल में जाके तीर लगा है, इसलिए ये चिल्ला रहे हैं. देखो चुप हो गए.
आप प्रतिपक्ष के नेता हैं, किसी की भावनाओं को ठेस नहीं पहुंचे,
सर मुझे
चर्चा
बोलने
में
नहीं
ध्यान
दीजिए.
रखना चाहिए.
किसके भावनाओं को ठेस पहुंचा इधर? मोदी जी की भावनाओं को ठेस
अभी
पहुंचा.
आएगा वो बताएगा. उसको पता नहीं चला अभी तक किसकी भावना को ठेस पहुंचाने की कोशिश की गई है. अभी इसको ब्रीफिंग नहीं हुआ है.
ये विषय बहुत गंभीर है. पूरे हिंदू समाज को हिंसक कहना ये गंभीर विषय है.
और ये मोदी जी फुल टॉस देते हुए,
नहीं.
और ये राहुल गांधी की तरफ से
हिंदू समाज नहीं है. बीजेपी
लगा
पूरा हिंदू
चक्का,
समाज
ये
नहीं
रहा,
है.
ये
आरएसएस पूरा हिंदू
चक्का.
समाज नहीं है.
ओफ अमेजिंग.
Brilliant यार.
Amazing.
इतना मजा आया.
बहुत मजा आया.
इतना मजा लगा. I should get that tattooed on.
Tattooed.
It's so good.
Tattooed. This whole
Like they
section.
should. I'm kidding, bro.
What you can do,
That's
what you
things
can
which I
do,
just say.
Medusa, I have an idea, right? What we
Right.
do is we take a clip out of this, right? We put it on YouTube, right? We put the link, turn it into a QR code. Then you get the QR code tattooed on yourself, and then it's like, if someone scans it, it's like 99999.
नहीं है. बीजेपी पूरा हिंदू समाज नहीं है. आरएसएस पूरा हिंदू समाज नहीं है.
बढ़िया नौजवान, बहुत बढ़िया.
One of the big differences I saw in Rahul Gandhi was this, which is he's not taking shit anymore, which is so refreshing to see. Like एक तो as a prime minister you're getting up, you're responding, I mean, which is your right. I'm that's fine. He respectfully sat down. Modi ji got up and said कि हिंदू समाज को पूरे हिंसक बोलना गंभीर मामला है, whatever. Tried to spin, but he didn't take it. He basically responded and he forcefully said, no, don't misinterpret what I'm saying. You guys are the problem. Not everyone else who you keep including in your bullshit. You guys are the problem.
You guys are the problem. मैं वही बोल रही थी कि I think he did it पूरे during his entire speech also, because there were number of times where विषयांतर बोलते हैं इसको हिंदी में, ठीक है, विषयांतर करने की कोशिश की जा रही थी, मतलब he was talking about something but then they would like get hung up on this one particular word or something and they would try to move the whole focus to that issue, to the, for example, जो वो पीठ दिखाने वाला वो था ना, जब भूपेंद्र यादव आगे फिर से बोलेगा पीठ दिखाने वाले उसमें, तो अयोध्या वाले केस में भी, अयोध्या वाले से उसमें भी पोर्शन में भी ही लोग विषयांतर करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे. But then what Rahul Gandhi would do is there would be this thing going on, the speaker would say something and then he would just listen to the speaker, not acknowledge what he is saying and just move on to his topic, like finish his thingy and move on. So it was very good. And today also during Pradhan Mantri ka speech, he did not say anything. He did not interrupt. He was, of course, a part of the sloganeering and whatever was going on. But he did not say anything or interrupt him like he was interrupted, which shows a very clear difference between the two things of how he spoke and how the Pradhan Mantri.
नहीं, अभी तो प्रधानमंत्री खड़े हुए, उसके पहले अमित शाह भी खड़े हुए थे, उसके बाद शिवराज सिंह भी खड़े होते हैं, राजनाथ सिंह, सब खड़े होते हैं ना. That's the whole point. Like, I mean, Modi's whole spiel of एक अकेला सब पे भारी बेसिकली रिवर्सल हो गया उसका.
भूपेंद्र यादव जी,
ये ठेका नहीं है बीजेपी का.
नाइस.
माइक दीजिए सर. हाँ, माइक
दीजिए
सर. मेरा सवाल है सर, इस माइक का कंट्रोलर किसके हाथ में?
प्लीज बैठिए
सर, ये ऑफ होता है.
बैठिए प्लीज.
God, he's so annoyed. My God, I love it.
So annoyed.
Yeah.
माननीय सदस्य, आप प्रतिपक्ष के नेता हैं. आप सदन के बाहर भी ये बात कहते हैं कि माइक बंद कर देते हैं. मैंने कई बार आग्रहपूर्वक किया, आसन पर इस तरीके का आरोप नहीं लगाए. नो, प्लीज बात सुनिए. आसन पर सभी दल के आसन पर सभी दल के लोग बैठते हैं और सभी दल के लोग सभापति तालिका पे हैं और सब जानते हैं कि एक व्यवस्था होती है. जिस भी माननीय सदस्यों को आग्रह किया जाता है बोलने का, वो बोला जाता है, और जिसको आग्रह नहीं किया जाता उसका माइक चालू नहीं होता. आप बोलने के लिए खड़े, आपका माइक कभी बंद नहीं हुआ. कभी
हुआ. लायर. मल्टीपल टाइम्स
हुआ है, इसी स्पीच में हुआ है.
और माइक तो छोड़ दो, कैमरा भी शिफ्ट हो जाता है ना.
कैमरा तो शिफ्ट आप करते ही हो, चलो, लेकिन कम से कम कैमरे में, चलो कैमरा ना भी हो, आवाज तो आती रहनी चाहिए कॉन्स्टेंटली. पीपल वुड बी स्टूपिड टू थिंक दैट इतना सारा एलिगेशन लग रहा है, इतनी सारी वो हो रही है, एंड उसका राहुल हैज नॉट सेड एनीथिंग इन रिटर्न. ऑफ कोर्स माइक ऑन किया. तुम अभी अयोध्या के बारे में बात किया था तो माइक ऑफ कर दिया.
हाँ, वो दिखाएंगे.
वेरी वेरी एविडेंट.
आप अगर आसन में जो भी विराज रहे हैं, वो अगर आपका नाम नहीं पुकारते हैं तब माइक चालू नहीं होता. ये व्यवस्था हमेशा इस सदन की रही है, पुराने में भी और नए में भी. कभी आसन पे
walk around with a boom box. Yeah, with like a microphone.
Whip out a rainbow karaoke mic and start going. क्या मजा आएगा यार.
Like BTS एकदम suddenly like.
व्यक्ति पर माइक का कंट्रोल नहीं होता. दूसरा, माननीय प्रतिपक्ष के आप नेता हैं और
why does he keep reminding him of that? Why does he keep reminding him of that?
I think again. He's trying to convince himself.
Yeah, looks like that. No, like which is आप प्रतिपक्ष के नेता है, आप माननीय प्रतिपक्ष के नेता है. क्यों बार-बार क्यों बोल रहे हैं? ऐसे तुम प्रधानमंत्री को थोड़ी बोलते हो बार-बार ना कि आप प्रधानमंत्री है, आप प्रधानमंत्री है, आप प्रधानमंत्री है. वैसे
की जाती है.
सर, मैं बिल्कुल आपकी रिस्पेक्ट करता हूं स्पीकर सर, मगर मेरे भाषण के बीच में सच्चाई है कि माइक ऑफ हो जाता है. मैं क्या करूं, हो जाता है वो. अब आपने देखा मैंने अयोध्या शब्द यूज किया और माइक ऑफ हो गया. नो.
Correct. That is exactly what happened.
Exactly what happened.
Yeah.
अरे
ये प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के टाइम पे आधा फेर आएगा क्या?
That's Gaurav Gogoi. ये प्रधानमंत्री जी के टाइम पे आधा फ्रेम आएगा क्या?
Totally missed that.
प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के टाइम पे आधा फेर आएगा क्या?
And he's right. नहीं आया था.
He's right,
नहीं
he's
आया
right,
था.
नहीं आया. एक बार
प्रधानमंत्री
भी नहीं आया.
फुल स्क्रीन प्रधानमंत्री चल रहा था तब तो.
तो अयोध्या की जनता को डराया, पूरे देश को डरा दिया. मैं आपको बताता हूं, आज सुबह में आया, राजनाथ सिंह जी ने मुस्कुरा के मुझे नमस्ते की और मोदी जी बैठे हैं, मुस्कुराहट नहीं, सीरियस, नमस्ते भी नहीं करते. कहीं मोदी जी ना देख लें, प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी. वही कहानी गडकरी जी की है. सच्चाई है. अरे भाई अयोध्या की जनता को छोड़ो, ये तो बीजेपी वालों को
Look at his face. Look at his face.
Oof. Dude, the thing is, I really love this because I think he's humanizing them,
Yeah.
which is very important. At some point, like I had heard this very fun strategy from an MP. At random party, like, you know, there were like MPs gathered and they were thinking, yaar, ye Modi, like, you know, whatever, like Teflon cover, whatever. So this MP came up with this wild strategy that, listen guys, what you do is, if you want to really irritate Modi, you start talking about his other ministers. Like, just don't mention Modi. Like, you know, like if you're, so you criticize their work, whatever. But at the same time, एक हाथ दो line डाल देना और credit दे देना किसी को तो भी. Especially like गडकरी को दे देना, राजनाथ को दे देना. Like the old school nice people, no, उनको थोड़ा सा credit दे देना. Because वो भी क्रेडिट के बहुत भूखे हैं. Right? They will be like very happy कि at least कोई तो notice कर रहा है. The second thing is, it will annoy the hell out of Modi ji. Right? I was like, that's some clever mind games happening right there. Man is doing that. He's doing exactly that, which is basically, he's like, Rajnath Singh कितने अच्छे आदमी हैं. And honestly, the only person I was okay with standing up was Rajnath Singh. He was very nice. When he was interrupting also, he's like, नहीं अध्यक्ष जी, इनको हमको सोचना चाहिए. Like very
बताना चाहूँगा.
Yeah, calm, nice. You know, the thing is that ठीक है, interrupt करो, but यार ये arrogance क्यों दिखता है बार बार इनका? That's the point he's making, which is राजनाथ जी ऐसे हाँ करते. नितिन गडकरी should also be that person who's like, अरे नमस्ते, कैसे हो, सब ठीक ना, whatever.
I want to tell an exclusive story.
Oh, members only story.
Yes, members only story.
Okay, members only story.
Okay, so Rajnath Singh is the MP from Lucknow, and I stay there. So the thing is, there is always, every time there is an election, there is always a push towards the intellectual class of the city, and they have these small meetings with pockets of people. And these meetings are sometimes either addressed by Rajnath Singh himself, or sometimes his wife, sometimes his boy, sometimes his like the elder son. So all of these things happen. So I have seen 2 elections so far. One was a state election. The other one is of course the Lok Sabha election. Just state elections with it, I had just gotten employed, and I was asked to accompany somebody to a meeting which was supposed to be the intellectuals of Lucknow ka meeting. And I was very happy. Oh my God, I'm an intellectual already. Please, I'll definitely come. And I went, and
बीजेपी वालों को डराते हैं.
See, this is another thing. This was also important to say कि बीजेपी के लोग डरे हुए हैं बॉस. Like I've heard enough anecdotes now from like people within BJP and people who know BJP people who are like, यार मतलब I sometimes feel really sorry for them, and I won't again name people, but there are some extremely smart, capable people within the BJP, young, upcoming, whatever you want to call it, who are terrified. They are basically like, एक तो उनको कुछ करने नहीं देते, like all the credit is taken by Modi ji, plus they are constantly afraid that they are being watched 24/7. Because Pegasus जब हुआ था, so Pegasus बस opposition केस में नहीं था friends, कुछ कुछ ministers केस में भी चला गया था. So they are terrified, they are mortified, right? And it has come to such a point where you know the one thing that we notice in parliament also, how many times do ministers take Modi's name? Like crazy amount of times, right? And I've always been wondering why. The thing is, they're always afraid that Modi ji is watching. So if Modi ji is watching, they better praise him. So it's like that Stockholm syndrome situation, which is like, you know, even if he isn't watching, there is a chance he's watching. And if he is watching, then he better be happy with my performance, which is like constantly taking his name. Imagine such a terrible existence, especially.
It's good only, but
you're okay with it.
Yeah. I'm happy that they have this terrible existence. I'm happy that they're having mental trauma. Mar jaye.
Very clear.
No sympathy at all.
Very, very clear with her ideas, I see. Very, very clear. Like, why am I not surprised? At this point, I should just expect these things.
No, not an ounce of sympathy for anyone. Any single one of them. किसी कोई वो नहीं है. मतलब मेरे को लगता है, like for example, when you say ना कि talented and young people and capable people, the point is you support an ideology that calls for the genocide of people, of a certain people, of the Muslim people, of the minority communities, different other communities, of the Dalits, because they are different. तो ये तो तुम्हारा main ideology हुआ ना. उसके बाद तुम कितने भी talented हो जाओ, उसके बाद तुमने कितना भी काम कर लिया हो, तुम तो there's no redemption arc. भाड़ में जाओ सब लोग.
Fair enough.
सबको जो जितना मेंटल ट्रॉमा, हाँ देखे तुमको मोदी जी देखते रहे, तुम पर नजर रखते, तुम जिंदगी में रात में तुम सपने से डर के जगो कि मुझको मोदी जी देख रहे हैं. ऐसा ही हो तुम्हारे साथ.
Umar Khalid must be sleeping better right now than these people.
He sleeps better. Like you sleep better. Probably I sleep better.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
पता है देख रहे हैं, देखने दो. भाड़ में जाए तुम लोग.
हाँ, exactly. हमारा क्या जा रहा है? अब तो हम तो assumption में ही रह रहे हैं कि वो देख रहे हैं, और हम क्या करेंगे?
You know, I had a very rude awakening. मैंने वो नरेंद्र मोदी वाला एक वीडियो बनाया था ना कि नरेंद्र मोदी जी के लिए I wanted like कि आपके देश में ये हो रहा है. For the past 10 days, 7 Muslim men have been lynched. Now the number is 10. Somebody commented like, saddest thing is that you think that Modi ji will see this video. And I was like, क्या rude awakening हुआ यार. It was of course a Sangi Bhakt who was telling me like she thinks, and he just wrote in the third person, thinks that Modi ji will even see this video. He doesn't have time for riffraff like you.
Yeah.
But then the point is, yeah, that's true. I'm assuming he'll see my video, but yeah, whatever.
Wait, do you assume he will see your video?
No.
So like no, right? I was like, yeah, of course he won't see your video.
I don't, but फिर भी मतलब कभी ऐसा लगता है ना कि जैसे मान लो अगर if I'm directly addressing him like नमस्कार नरेंद्र मोदी जी, तो उसमें ऐसा लगता है कि हो सकता है मोदी जी रात को ऐसे सो के ऐसे फोन रख के ऐसे स्क्रॉल करते like normal people like normal people is also like addicted to Instagram like this, ऐसे कर रहे हैं, रील पे रील देके जा रहे हैं, और आ रहा है एक रील आ रहा है जहाँ पे मेडुसा नमस्कार मोदी जी, and he's like अरे मुझे क्या बोल रही है.
या वो नहीं होता है गाइस, बहुत बिजी है सर, प्लीज ऐसे बहुत बिजी है.
सर क्या है?
माननीय प्रतिपक्ष के नेता, एक मिनट माननीय प्रतिपक्ष के नेता, आप सदन के वरिष्ठ नेता हैं. मेरा आपसे आग्रह है कि राष्ट्रपति अभिभाषण पर डिबेट हो रही है, इसकी गरिमा, राष्ट्रपति अभिभाषण की गरिमा रखे ना.
Okay, I have to explain something here. Parliamentary proceduring nerd time. So, guys, what is happening here is that there is this thing called the President's Address, which happens every year. So, a few days ago, the President came and delivered a speech. You must have not seen it because why would you? It is boring as hell. I mean, all respect to the President, all respect to everything, but please, whatever. You'd rather read it. Go to her website. There is like a whole text that you can read. Much better to consume the speech that way. So when she gives the speech, it is written by the cabinet. It is written by the government, and she just has to read it. That is the only thing that she has to do. Now, what happens in Parliament after that is that there is a response that is given by both houses of the Parliament where they're reacting to the speech. They're giving their opinions on it. And also, you can amend the speech. This is important. You can actually change the president's speech, where every member can put in different lines, etc., and change it according to what they want. What you are seeing here, this is the first speech that was given in response to that speech. Now, the funny thing is that president के speech में सब कुछ लिखा होता है. Like literally, जो government ने जो भी किया है ना, वो छाप देते हैं वहाँ पे, right? So technically, anybody can get up and by that logic convert it into something which is related to that, right? For example, if the president puts in things like, oh, we have inaugurated the Ram Mandir and my government is very proud about it, whatever. That opens up a whole can of worms where you can talk about religion, where you can talk about Ram Mandir, you can talk about Ayodhya, you can talk about literally anything. You can go back in time, talk about anything. So then president के speech से फिर भी related है. If the president has said, we congratulate the Election Commission of India for conducting a good election, right? It opens up a can of worms where the opposition can now talk about the conduct of the election commission, although it is an independent institution. So what is happening here is that the speaker is saying aap maryada rakhiye and all the things, but honestly he's just taking it from point number 1 and then taking it to a furthest extreme, which is completely allowed. So this is bullshit.
ये तो अपेक्षा आपसे सब करते हैं कि आप राष्ट्रपति अभिभाषण पे बोले, नीतियां पे बोले, कार्यक्रमों में बोले.
वही तो कर रहे हैं.
व्यक्तिगत रूप से
ये सेम एडवाइस प्रधानमंत्री को नहीं मिला, बाय द वे.
नहीं मिलेगा. कहाँ मिलेगा प्रधानमंत्री को. And I hate the way he turns into Pankaj Tripathi every now and then do it with his gardan. What the hell? So annoying. Bobblehead Birla. Oh my god. I love that. Bobblehead Birla.
स्पीकर सर, ये उचित है.
देखो
अगर आपकी पार्टी इसको उचित मानती है तो मुझे कुछ नहीं कहना. स्पीकर सर,
आप तो स्पीकर क्यों है फिर? तो स्पीकर क्यों है फिर? What is this फूफाजी behavior?
ताने मार रहे हैं.
No, this is फूफाजी behavior. I'm telling you, no. This is peak शादी का फूफाजी behavior. कि अच्छा मुझे उसमें नहीं पड़ा पनीर में मसाला नहीं पड़ा तो मुझे क्यों बुलाया फिर? मुझे बात ही नहीं करनी. मेरे हिसाब से पनीर नहीं बना, मुझे बात ही नहीं करनी. This is peak फूफाजी behavior. What is this?
लोकतंत्र ने और संविधान ने मुझे सिखाया है.
इस पे क्या है? इस पे क्यों वाह कर रहा है? मुझे वही हर चीज जो मुंह से निकलती है ना ये आदमी कैसे अरे क्या बोल दिया. अभी सुनना प्ले कर. जय श्री राम.
कि मुझे विपक्ष के नेता को गंभीरता से लेना चाहिए.
The laughter is so forced. The laughter is so it's so fake. ये पीछे रिजिजू के बगल में जो बैठा है, what's his name? So नकली.
जोशी.
So नकली, Mr. Joshi. Your laughter was as नकली as Modi ji's new buccal fat removed cheeks. Okay?
उफ लाइक जिंगर दे रहे हो मैम आप थोड़े से ज्यादा. जिंगर दे दिया एक. ये इनका भी देखिए, मतलब ये कितने एकदम बोल दिया ना तुझे, बोल दिया ना, डांट दिया ना तुझे।
देखा पॉपो ने तुम्हारी स्पीच रुकवा दी ना पॉपो ने।
बट व्हाट वाज द पॉइंट ऑफ दैट इंटरप्शन? लाइक व्हाट वाज द पॉइंट ऑफ दैट
कोई सेंस है
इंटरप्शन?
इस बात का?
कुछ
उसको लग रही
स्मार्ट नहीं बोला था, मतलब मुझे लगा कोई पॉइंट था, बट आई डोंट, am I the stupid one here? Do you see any point to it?
नो
No.
पहली बार हिंदुस्तान की हिस्ट्री में जनता से स्टेट्स छीने गए हैं। जम्मू कश्मीर लद्दाख से आपने पहली बार स्टेट छीना है। मणिपुर को आपने सिविल वॉर में डुबा दिया है। मणिपुर को आपने और आपकी योजनाओं ने, आपकी पॉलिटिक्स ने जला दिया है। और आज तक हिंदुस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री मणिपुर नहीं गए हैं। ऐसा लगता है कि मणिपुर हिंदुस्तान का प्रदेश ही नहीं है। प्रधानमंत्री के लिए मणिपुर स्टेट ही नहीं है। मणिपुर में सिविल वॉर हो ही नहीं रही है। और एक बार बयान दिया हमने, मतलब प्रेशर लगाया, हम गए, हमने प्रधानमंत्री से कहा एक मैसेज दे दीजिए, मणिपुर चले जाइए, जनता की वहां रक्षा कीजिए। नहीं।
Did you notice
What?
the absolute sheer silence?
Yeah.
The absolute zero interruptions, the absolute zero smart comments, ठीक है? Because they don't want to like hero this topic at all. They just
Yeah.
want it to be over as soon as possible.
Yeah.
जितनी जल्दी राहुल गांधी मणिपुर पे बोल के निकल जाए उतना अच्छा। The sheer silence, you could hear a pin drop. अभी तक जो चिल्ला रहे थे, अभी तक जो एकदम मान्यवर आपका ये क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, अब मेरा कुर्ता क्यों नहीं मिल रहा है मान्यवर, यह कर रहे थे, अचानक से नाउ सडनली दे आर कंप्लीटली साइलेंट।
इतना सन्नाटा क्यों है भाई?
मैं वहां गया, कुकीज और मेते इससे दोनों से मिला, आज तक नहीं, आंसर नहीं मिलेगा, मिल नहीं सकता। मणिपुर इनके लिए हिंदुस्तान का प्रदेश ही नहीं है। मणिपुर है ही नहीं, मणिपुर है ही नहीं, ना होम मिनिस्टर के लिए ना प्रधानमंत्री के लिए, है ही नहीं, एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता।
Actually, he kind of proved his point preemptively because in the reply speech, again, Modi ji didn't mention Manipur at all.
At all.
He
At all.
mentioned NEET.
Exactly. वही मैं बोल रही थी कि 2 लाइन कम से कम नीट के बारे में बोला है। But then मणिपुर के बारे में एक बार भी, despite the fact that yesterday रात को एकदम कहा 12 बजे के बाद बिमल अखोजाम को टाइम देके और उन्होंने बोला, he has spoken so much and it was such an emotional speech if you listen to it, no?
You are dishonoring the likes of the youths who hold the tricolor in international platforms. The likes of Mary Kom, Sarita Kunjarani and Mirabai Chanu. You are saying that you don't matter in this country. Your state doesn't matter in this country. You are also saying that the likes of Ratan Tiam, the icon of the culture of this country, Harivansham Sharma, don't matter in this country. If you have an iota of concern for this state, there would not have been a silence. There would not have been a silence in this house, nor in the presidential address. Not only in the silences, कांग्रेस के कारण मणिपुर की यह स्थिति है। 5 years after independence, can you negate this fact? We are talking about the inclusion of the Northeast history after 75 years. That's a classic exclusion. India was an anthropological subject, not a historical subject in the eyes of the colonial forces. And today, the Northeast remains outside of the history of the Indian history textbook. That is why you treat them as the other. And that's the silence. And the silence on the Manipur tragedy is not unique. It is a reflection of this general continuity of the colonial in the post-colonial. It is sad to see a nationalist party like the BJP will feel comfortable with this silence on the tragedy of Manipur. Keep your hands on your heart and think about the 60,000 people who are linguistic in relief camps. And those mothers, those widows, think of them.
It was so emotional, such a powerful speech. और उसके बावजूद the Prime Minister refused to acknowledge his own संसद का member. तुम छोड़ो, तुम राज्य छोड़ दो यार, तुम अपने जो तुम्हारा मेंबर बोल रहे हो उसकी तो सुनो, वो तो एक्नॉलेज करो कि हाँ बोला है.
And also, the point of the president's speech is that, right? You know, the opposition members are speaking, all of them, and the prime minister is supposed to respond to all the people who are speaking, right? So there was a Madhyam who did this whole, just like a quick analysis of the speech. Madhyam says that he spent 60 minutes talking about the past and the future, not the present, past and the future. Then he spent 72 minutes attacking the opposition, talking about himself and doing like random things like Sholay ki auntie or whatever he was doing. Neat pe he barely spoke like three sentences.
Three lines. I was listening to the speech.
Three sentences. Manipur, throughout the opposition was saying Manipur, Manipur, Manipur. Nothing.
Yeah.
मुझे बताओ कि क्या प्रॉब्लम है इस आदमी का, क्या मतलब इतना क्या ईगो लेके बैठे हैं सर. ठीक है, तुम 2 लाइन बोल दो यार मणिपुर पे, क्या जा रहा है तुम्हारा.
मतलब हद होती है तुमको. क्या कौन से कुएं से बेशर्मी के कुएं से पानी पिया भगवान.
This is from a portion from Modi ji's speech, which the only thing I wanted to play from his speech was this, which I captured.
आप सबको शोले फिल्म की वो मौसी जी याद होगी.
पीछे वालों को देखना, सिको फैंस.
तीसरी बार तो हारे हैं, पर मौसी ये बात तो सही है, तीसरी बार ही तो हारे हैं, पर मौसी मोरल विक्ट्री तो है ना.
क्या गंदा बॉम्ब किया है आदमी ने, लाइक सीरियसली.
अपने लोग ही नहीं हंसे,
कोई नहीं हंसा. लाइक जस्ट शोले की मौसी पे हंसे ज्यादा लोग. शोले की मौसी याद है कि है. फिर जब पंचलाइन पड़ा तो 0 साइलेंस. मोरल विक्ट्री तो है ना, बिकॉज यू नो व्हाट, मॉरल विक्ट्री है फ्रेंड्स, है मॉरल विक्ट्री भाई. मतलब सर, yeah, in the background while people are screaming Manipur, they are also proving the same point, sir.
Same point. They're proving the same point. Also, I listened to his whole speech, and उस पूरे speech में, for example, you know ना, when you apply for admission in foreign universities, you have to write statements of purposes, you have to write letters of recommendation, so on and so forth. You have to answer essay. Okay? And one of the first things that we are taught when we are applying to a foreign university and when we are writing an essay is that never just give a vague statement. For example, I love my country. Okay? It's a vague statement. Everybody does it. It's a very general statement. You show how. You give examples of what you have done which prove this point. So every time, all applications are stronger. All those applications which give examples, which draw from your life experiences, which show that you have done something, you have created something with examples, with those examples, with provable examples. Those are the applications which are the strongest. Today, in his entire speech, there was not a single time when he gave examples of things which his government has done, which are good, and some, Congress has done, which is bad. ठीक है, एक general overall, other than his talk about emergency, और उसमें भी, if he does not mention the word emergency, to a layman, it would seem that he's talking about things that his own government has done, like controlling the media and filling people up with fear about what they're saying, dissent, etc. So usko lagega. So entire speech mein, even linguistically speaking, if I'm analyzing it linguistically, there was not a single example kahin pe bhi nahi tha. Bahut vague statements the, and it did not land well at all.
And there was some weird story he told. I didn't see the whole thing. Again, I got so annoyed looking at him these days. I'm like, ek to I avoid watching him. I mean, I read, maybe like if I can get his speech, I read it sometimes, but like I don't. It's just very, I don't know, irritating.
Also, he's very slow na.
Very slow also.
कौन इतना तो 1 घंटा 2 घंटा सुनेगा?
ये 2.5 घंटे का था आज कुछ तो पता
Yeah, but then पापा सुन रहे थे तो मैं मतलब मुझे सुनना ही था.
So like I was watching it and he told some weird story about कोई बच्चा आता है, वो माँ की गाली दे के आता है या कुछ तो भी. I'm like, क्या हो रहा है बॉस? मतलब कितना, मतलब क्या लेवल पे चले गए सर? मतलब थोड़ा ज्यादा नहीं हो रहा है सर?
It was very weird. It was very haphazard. It was दम नहीं था.
And also, so Medusa, what we are going to do, because I know there will be people who are like, oh, of course, तुम लोग राहुल गांधी को simp कर रहे हो, मोदी जी को क्यों नहीं कर रहे? So what I did was, I found a hack. I found a hack. Okay, we're going to do the hack, which is I put this out on Twitter. Sincere request to BJP bhakts, since they will obviously be the ones to see the Modi speech in detail, right? हमको नहीं देखना है. I mean, हम बोल रहे हैं हमको नहीं देखना है. तुमको तो देखना पड़ेगा ना. मतलब सर का स्पीच नहीं देखोगे तो कैसे? It's like, you know, भगवान की आरती हो रही है और आप नहीं गए तो फिर कैसे होगा ना? तो if there is anything new in Modi's speech, then let me know. If he's still talking about pre-2014, all the wrongs everyone has done, then I don't want to know. Thank you for your service. It was a sincere request, right? एक तो भक्त का reply आया नहीं because शायद सर ने कुछ नया बोला नहीं. So, but then there were some fun responses. Let us read. Probably if he was at his creative best, probably he might break the monotony and blame Rajiv Gandhi for neat paper leak instead of blaming Nehru for the same. Then someone's like, I was expecting that from you. Please let us know if he speaks anything that's valuable. If anybody gives you info. मेरे को ही बोल रहे हैं मतलब.
नहीं तू देख, मेरे को लड़ाई हो रही है. नहीं तू देख, नहीं तू देख, नहीं तू देख.
But then looking forward to hearing back from him. Thank you very much. Also waiting for reaction video of yesterday's parliament. See, मेडिसा देख हमने काम कर दिया. एक रिक्वेस्ट आया था हमको.
नहीं आया है, और भी आया है. मेरे को आया है ना.
तेरे को भी आया है ना रिक्वेस्ट. Don't worry, A&I will run the whole speech in bits and pieces. नहीं देखना है, वो भी नहीं देखना है मुझे. वो भी नहीं. चेहरा देखा तो skip. Listen to 5 minutes was talking about how corruption was rampant in the past and something about working 24/7 for 2047. So yeah, literally nothing new. Fair enough. PM Modi even after 10 years. नेहरू, गांधी, बच्चा, अपमान, राहुल, मनमोहन, इंदिरा, गुस्सा, जनता, मैं मेरा अपमान नहीं सहूंगा, and 20 times Nehru repeated again. That's a good summary, I guess.
That's a good summary.
Yeah. Good.
That's a good summary. नहीं आज लेकिन वो भी था एक सेना.
सेना
was an important
minus
addition,
Manipur. Minus
Manipur, but Sena was an important addition today.
Yeah. Summary. Congress, water, Congress, Nepatha.
Nepatha is the background.
Balak, water. Balak. Okay.
Acha, the sip
He was drinking a lot of water today apparently. ये भक्तों ने मीम दिया है, कोई पूर्वेश सेबी रजिस्टर्ड RA किया है. भाई बाला के बालक पेलाई कर रहे हैं मोदी जी. मत देखना, तुमसे सहा नहीं जाएगा. मतलब मैं बोल रहा हूँ मुझे देखना ही नहीं है. तो anyway, बट ये एक इमेज मिला इनको जहाँ पे राहुल गांधी इज लुकिंग अप. सो नाउ एवरीवन इज बेसिकली टेकिंग दिस वन स्क्रीनशॉट एंड मेकिंग मीम्स. घर में घुसकर मारेंगे, कांग्रेस करप्शन, आई एम गुड बॉय, नेहरू ब्लाब्ला, इंदिरा ब्लाब्ला, इमरजेंसी, अपीसमेंट नो, हेट स्पीच यस, नो मणिपुर, नो नीट, नो एयरपोर्ट्स कोलैप्सिंग, नो अग्निवीर, द एंड. Although he did speak about NEET, but I think he spoke about it in the very end of the speech somewhere.
At the very end, and then he just said that NEET that already सरकार ने एक कड़ा कानून बनाया है, कई सारे लोगों की गिरफ्तारी हो रही है. So basically it was all punitive measures and no protective measures. कि अभी हम कर रहे हैं, अभी हम वो कर रहे हैं, मतलब पेपर लीक होगा तो ऐसा होगा और ऐसे इतनी गिरफ्तारी करेंगे. अरे भैया, जो बच्चे पढ़ लिए हैं, जिन्होंने जिनका वेस्ट हो गया, उसकी प्रिवेंशन के लिए आप क्या करोगे ना. That's why the discussion is necessary.
बॉस उसके लिए See, yeah, of course, parliamentary discussion is a must because reform के बारे में बात करना पड़ेगा भैया, कभी तो करना पड़ेगा. The second thing is, you know, their government is literally asking the parents कि हम क्या reform करें. I'm like, भाई तुम्हारा काम है भाई. What is happening? Center asked parents for suggestions on exam reforms.
तुम लोग क्या करोगे? आई थिंक नरू का एक उसमें ट्वीट है कि तुम लोग पार्लियामेंट में क्या मतलब फुटबॉल का लाइव देखोगे, IPL लाइव देखोगे, क्या करोगे?
IPL का मैच देखने जा रहे हो क्या पार्लियामेंट में? सही में.
That's what राहुल गांधी is saying कि डिस्कशन करो, आओ बैठते हैं, डिस्कशन करते हैं, फिर वो करते हैं, पता करते हैं क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना है. तो उसी से तो बात निकले कि तुम बातें करने को तैयार नहीं हो. यू आर थिंकिंग कि एक कड़ा कानून बना दिया है, हो गया. क्या होगा यार कड़ा कानून बनाने से? तुम्हारे यहाँ कानून वाले जो पकड़े जाते हैं वो they turn approvers और they say that this CM has taken money and then you give them the ये टिकट और फिर वो आके वो जो कल तक जेल में बंद था वो आज सांसद बन के तुम्हारे साथ बैठा हुआ है. ये तो तुम लोगों का कड़ा कानून का नतीजा है.
Rahul Gandhi said this clearly today that listen, please keep one day tomorrow for a NEET discussion, right? Did they keep it? No, they freaking adjourned the house. They adjourned the house today, which is so annoying. Like they could
कब
have
तक है adjourned?
easily, they could have said कि no, we will listen to this, we will keep a day to discuss NEET. Could have done it. No, adjourn.
कब तक किया adjourn? But then I don't understand
Indefinitely.
also why.
So like now
why
they will
I-
call the next session, which will usually, which will probably happen sometime in the 3rd week of July or 4th week of
Acha.
July. That is when the budget will be presented. That is the monsoon session. Medusa, fun thing that is happening is we are going to do our agenda during that time, which is we are already drafting some questions and notices,
Awesome.
and
Awesome.
so we are going to start submitting them to our MPs. MPGA, make Parliament great again. But Medusa, did you feel Parliament is becoming great again?
I swear to God, man, because the first things first, I have never in my 38 years of life sat through an entire speech by anyone in the parliament. Anyone. I have never voluntarily tuned into a channel called Sansad TV.
Yes. You know how many people
Never.
were watching Sunset TV when I saw Rahul Gandhi's speech? It was 1 lakh plus people who were watching it on Sunset TV alone. Okay. I was like, yes, this is what I wanted. But
It's happening. It's happening because सही है मेरे को भी लगा है even the discussions around speeches by A Raja, speech by Sir Bimol sir, then this one Mahua speech,
Mahua Moitra
all-
speech, yes.
yeah, first again, but side note, her sari. if anybody ever wants to make me happy, bring me that sari. That is beautiful. It was gorgeous. Anyway. Point is, the discussions around these people, the speeches which are happening, Mahua's speech, even this guy's the kitty.
Forgot the name.
Yeah, what's his name? TMC का guy. Mukherjee? No. जो भी है, उसका
Kalyan
speech-
Banerjee.
The discussion happening around these इनका speeches, that also मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैंने कभी भी पार्लियामेंट में किसी ने क्या बोला इस पर मैंने डिस्कशन किया है. मनोज झा का speech was also excellent.
Chandrasekhar Azad का speech.
चंद्रशेखर
happened,
आजाद का
yeah?
स्पीच वो तो मैंने बाद में देखा. मैंने वो आज मैंने एक वीडियो बनाया था, उससे पहले I hadn't seen his speech yet, and I'm very very happy. That's why I also wanted Kanhaiya in the Sansad, because I was like कुछ और नहीं तो कम से कम बोलता तो बहुत बड़ा.
Also, राज्यसभा में अलग ही सीन चल रहा था, which was so fun to watch
अलग ही
also.
scene. Oh,
Yeah.
I know.
Yeah.
Rajya Sabha was also like full on fire.
It's so heartening to see this, Medusa. I can't explain it. It's very emotional for me because like 2011 में हम कुछ चोमू बच्चे बैठ के एक योगा रूम में बैठ के एक्साइटेडली पार्लियामेंट देखते थे और रिएक्ट करते थे एंड वी आर लाइक अरे कोई 2-3 लोग ही देख रहे होंगे और लैम्प फेलोज ही देख रहे होंगे, कोई देख नहीं रहा है. 10 साल के लिए ट्रेजेडी इतना हुआ कि बेसिकली किसी को देखने लायक ही नहीं छोड़ा. लाइक मतलब इतना बोर होता था. मैं भी देखता था, मैं भी ढूंढता था, बट कोई पॉइंट ही नहीं था देखने का. जस्ट ट्रॉमा ही दिखता था मुझे देख के. राइट नाउ वी हैव come back to a point where I can genuinely tell people, please go watch the parliament. It is very fun. Medusa, you saw it for the first time, like
Yes.
the whole thing. Did you think
Yeah.
it was fun to watch?
It was definitely. Because I was screaming like a football match में नहीं होता है. I was
Exactly.
screaming at the TV also. Like, every time this guy does a condescending.
Yeah.
Even today, Om Birla, in the initial part, he talked to Rahul Gandhi in such a rude manner.
Yeah.
It was so rude. It was so bad. His language is so bad. His body language, his tone, etc. And specifically, it becomes more stark when you take it in comparison to how he speaks to the ruling party and the members of the ruling party. It's obscene.
And all those clips don't do it justice, honestly.
They
I mean,
don't.
like they don't. Like I mean, you have
Live में जब देख रहे हो ना,
exactly.
there was this one point where Rahul Gandhi is talking about how he was talking about something. He just notices that the camera on one side is at him. ठीक है?
Yeah.
So he notices like point at him, and then he immediately holds up the Shivji वाला photo.
शिव जी कहते हैं सर देखिए मेरा वो हटा दिया आपने सर, वो देखिए सर हटा दिया, कैमरा से हटा दिया. सर देखिए वापस आ गया सर, हटाओ
सदस्य.
ये देखो.
Yeah.
He was so deliberate when he just like picks it up, flips it, and shows it. And then of course the camera shifts immediately, but then it was that 2 second ka time जिसमें वो visible था. And I
Oh,
was
that
like,
was very
good for
clever.
you, bro.
And he
Good
did
for
it also. Sir, मैं करके दिखाऊं? As the camera changes, I'm like, अरे भाई,
It was so
भाई,
good.
मतलब.
It was so good.
Thank you so much, Medusa, for the first episode of Dissent Ki Dukaan. Yes,
Why
yes.
thank you so much? We are co-hosts. Now we don't
Exactly.
thank each
I was
other.
expecting you to thank me also.
Oh, okay. So mutual thank you club.
Yes.
And thank you so much, Meghna, for
Yes.
technically organizing all of this because I would have never been able to. I will figure out. Oh, by the way, I think I have figured out the mic situation because I can see that there is a mute button on the receiver. So if I if I switch it on, then maybe I'll not be able to hear the the feedback.
Guys who are watching this, exclusive members only content for the first 15, 20, 30 minutes where Medusa is struggling with a microphone.
Yeah, because I bought a
Freakishly
new
hilarious.
beautiful,
Yes.
beautiful mic and I was unable to use it and I was very sad about it.
Yeah, and then she was going to con you guys. वो भी exclusive content. वो तो देख लेना बाद में तुम लोग. Thank you so much for watching,
Yeah.
guys. This was the first episode of Dissent Ki Dukaan. Please let us know. Please give us a tagline.
Yeah. And also it's very good, no? Because Dissent Ki Dukaan mein the first thing that we reacted to was the dissenter in chief.
Yes,
which is Rahul
dissenter
Gandhi.
in chief currently.
Yes. Yes.
Good start, I think, Medusa.
Yes, good start,
And
good
members would also agree that I think it was a good start. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video with Dr.
Video.
Medusa only.
Okay, peace.